Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to Suryansi Learning Classes. Today we'll discuss about 10 important questions for ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level Exam. So let's begin. White box techniques are also called as A. Design-based testing, B. Experience-based technique, C. Structural testing, or D. Error guessing technique. The right answer is option C. Structure testing. Explanation: Structural testing is the other name for white box techniques. Which of the following could be a disadvantage of independent testing? A. Communication is limited between independent testers and developers. B. Developers can lose a sense of responsibility for quality. C. Developer and independent testing will overlap and waste resources. Or D. Independent testers are too slow and delay the project schedule. The right answer is option B. Developers can lose a sense of responsibility for quality. Explanation: When we have an independent testing team, there is always a possibility that developers will lose the sense of responsibility towards quality. What is integration testing? A. Integration of automated software test suites with the application under test. B. Testing to verify that the test environment can be integrated with the product. C. Testing performed to expose faults in the interaction between components and systems. Or D. Testing to verify that a component is ready for integration with the rest of the system. And the right answer is option C. Testing performed to expose faults in the interaction between components and systems. Explanation: Integration testing is a level of software testing where individual units are combined and tested as a group. The purpose of this level of testing is to expose faults in the interaction between integrated units. Test drivers and test stubs are used to assist in integration testing. Non-functional testing includes A. Testing to see where the system does not function correctly. B. Gaining user approval for the system. C. Testing a system feature using only the software required for that function. Or D. Testing the quality attributes of the system including reliability and usability. And the right answer is option D. Testing the quality attributes of the system including reliability and usability. Explanation: In non-functional testing, the quality characteristics of the component or system is tested. Which of the following is not true of test coverage criteria? A. Test coverage criteria can be measured in terms of item exercised by a test suite. B. A measure of test coverage criteria is the percentage of user requirements covered. C. A measure of test coverage criteria is the percent of fault found. Or D. Test coverage criteria are often used when specifying test completion criteria. And the right answer is option C. A measure of test coverage criteria is the percentage of faults found. Explanation: Test coverage in general means how much our test cases covered the actual content of the software. So we can test our coverage to the code or requirements and it can be used as an exit criteria. Which of the following is not a quality characteristic listed in ISO 9126 standard? A. Functionality, B. Usability, C. Supportability, or D. Maintainability. And the right answer is option C. Supportability. Explanation: The ISO 91261 software quality model identifies six main quality characteristics, namely functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability, and portability. Which of the following is not part of performance testing? A. Simulating many users and generating many transactions. B. Recovery testing. C. Measuring transaction rates. Or D. Measuring response time. And the right answer is option B. Recovery testing. Explanation: recovery testing is done in order to check how fast and better the application can recover after it has gone through any type of crash or hardware failure, etc. Test managers should not: A. Report on deviations from the project plan. B. Sign the system off for release. C. Reallocate resources to meet original plans. D. Raise incidents on faults that they have found. Or E. Provide information for risk analysis and quality improvement. And the right answer is option C. Reallocate resource to meet original plans. Explanation: test managers should report on deviations from the project plan, sign the system off for release, raise incidents on faults that they have found, provide information for risk analysis and quality improvement. Beta testing is: A. Performed by customers at their own site. B. Performed by customers at software developer site. C. Performed by an independent test team. Or D. Performed as early as possible in the life cycle. And the right answer is option A. Performed by customers at their own site. Explanation: beta testing is one of the acceptance testing types. Beta testing is performed by real users of the software application in a real environment. Which of the following defines the scope of maintenance testing? A. The coverage of current regression pack. B. The size and risk of any changes to the system. C. The time since the last change was made to the system. Or D. Defects found at the last regression test run. And the right answer is option B. The size and risk of any changes to the system. Explanation: maintenance testing is the type of software testing that refers to testing the changes to an operational system or the impact of a changed environment to an operational system. A change to a system, however small, can lead to several accidental effects, which are often not obvious and easy to identify. The main purpose of impact analysis is not only to find the impact set in terms of coding elements, but also in terms of effort and resources required for implementing the change. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned and we are going to add few more videos related to ISTQB. So keep watching our videos and keep learning. Until then, take care. Goodbye.